This 2015 Mercedes-Benz S550 is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. S550 Coupe Sport 4MATIC Sport Package Premium Package Driver Assistance Package Remaster Premium Sound System Navigation System Rear View Camera Heated Front Seat Cooled Front Seats Message Front Seats Power Rear Sunshade 4.7L Turbo V8 Engine 7-speed Automatic Transmission 4MATIC All-Wheel Drive System Keyless Entry Fog Lamps Power Trunk Opener Cruise Control Power Adjustable Steering Wheel Front Parking Sensors Rear Parking Sensors Power Windows Power Door Locks Wood Trim Interior Gray Metallic Exterior Black Leather Interior Floor Mats Owner's Manual. Please feel free to call us 630-628-1400 with any question you might have or ask us for detailed walk around way. Hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2015 Megabytes S550 Coupe Sport 4MATIC is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy, visit us at AutoGalleryChicago.com.